Welcome viewers. In this video we will see the relationship between two-port network parameter Y parameters in terms of H parameter. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic two-port network parameters. There are four parameters available: Z parameter, Y parameter, H parameter and ABCD parameter. Z parameter is open circuit impedance parameter. Y parameter is short circuit admittance parameter. H parameter means hybrid. Both current and voltage is combined. That is Z and Y parameters are combined together. That's why called hybrid parameters. And ABCD parameter is the transmission parameter. While designing the transmission line, we can use these parameters. So these are all the four parameters available in two-port network. Separate video available for all these four parameters. Detailed video along with the solved problems are available. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. Here we are going to express Y parameters in terms of H parameter. So the Y parameter means short circuit admittance parameter. Short circuit means input or output port is short circuited. That's why called a short circuit admittance parameter. Here I1 and I2, that is input port current and output port current. One refers input port, two refers output port. That is expressed in terms of V1 and V2, input port voltage and output port voltage. I1 equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2. I2 equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. Take this equation number 1 and 2. So the general equation of Y parameter, short circuit admittance parameter. Current are expressed in terms of voltage. In case of Z parameter, open circuit impedance parameter, voltages are expressed in terms of current. In hybrid parameter, both are available, voltage as well as current. Input port voltage, output port current are expressed in terms of input port current and output port voltage. That's why it's called a hybrid. Both are mixed together. Z parameter and Y parameter. Here both short circuit and open circuit are available. So V1 equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. I2 equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Take this equation number 3 and 4. Now we are going to express Y parameter in terms of H parameter. Right. Now we can go for, by solving this equation we can able to find the relationship. The first step, we are going to write the equation 3. We are take the equation 3. We are going to rewrite. So this is equation 3. V1 equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. Right. So this term H11 V2 brought to that side, left hand side. So it become negative. V1 minus H12 V2. That is equal to H11 I1. Now rewrite this. Write this term this side, this term that side. So H11 I1 equal to V1 minus H12 V2. Now brought this H11 in the denominator of right hand side. So what happened? 1 divided by H11 V1 minus H12 divided by H11. This term is brought in the denominator into V2. So now we got the expression of I1 in terms of this equation is simplified and we brought in the form of I1. You take this equation number 5. Now take the equation 4 and substitute this I1 value. What is equation 4? Equation 4 is I2 equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. This is equation 4. In this we are going to substitute I1 from this equation 5. Right? So this I1 is replaced by equation 5. 1 divided by H1 V1 minus H12 divided by H11 into V2. Right. Now we can multiply this H21 inside because it is commonly available. Now we can go for multiplication. We'll multiply inside. So while multiplying, what happened? This H21 divided by H11 V1 minus H12 into H21 divided by H11. These two terms are multiplied into V2. Right? Plus H22 into V2. So here in these two terms V2 is available commonly. So we can take V2 outside. So what happened? H22 minus, this minus is there. So this term is written First, this term is written the next. Minus h12 into h21 divided by h11. Now we'll take the LCM between these two terms. So while taking LCM, what happened here? This 1 is available. Here nothing is available, denominator. So we have to multiply with this. h211 into h22 d minus h12 into h21 v2. So this term h11 into h22 minus h12 into h21 is nothing but a determinant of hybrid matrix. So that can be written as delta H. So this term can be written as delta H. Right? So take this equation number 6, that is I2 equal to H21 divided by H11 V1 plus del H divided by H11 into V2. Okay. So now we got this equation 6. Already we have equation 5, that is I1. Equation 6 is I2. Now we'll see how to find the relationship. So to find the equation, we are going to compare equation 5 and 6, what we rewrite, with equation 1 and 2. So this is equation 5. I1 equal to H1 divided by H11 V1 minus H12 divided by H11 into V2. This is equation 6 expressing I2. These two only we solved that. We rearranged that. We simplified the equations. We got these two equations. Equation 5 and 6 having the parameter of I1 and I2. This equation 1 and 2 already we have. That is the general equation of Y parameter I1 and I2. So both are equal. This 5 and 6 also giving the expression of I1 and I2. Here also I1 and I2. So we can compare the coefficient. We can compare equation 1 with equation 5 because both are I1. Similarly, equation 2 with equation 6 because both are I2. So first we'll compare equation 1 and 5. So coefficient of V1 is Y11. Here coefficient of V1 is -1 divided by H11. So both are equal. So other terms are equal, automatically coefficients are equal. Y11 equal to 1 divided by H11. Similarly, coefficient of V2 is Y12. Similarly, here coefficient of V2 is minus H12 divided by H11. So that is written here. Right? Now we'll compare equation 2 and 6. Equation 2, the coefficient of V1 is Y21. Here coefficient of V1 is H21 divided by H11. So that is written here. Y21 equal to H21 divided by H11. Then coefficient of V2 is Y22. Here coefficient of V2 is del H divided by H11. So that is written here. Y22 equal to del H divided by H11. Now we got to a relation between Y and H parameter. The Y parameters are expressed in terms of H parameter. Right? So here Y11 is equal to this term. Y12 is equal to this term. Y21 is equal to this term. Y22 is equal to this term. By comparing these two, we got this relationship. Right? So in this video, we discussed the expression of relationship between Y parameter in terms of H parameter. First, we discuss what are the parameters available in two-port network, what are the general equation. Then we simplified the equation so that we got equation 5 and 6. That is compared with equation 1 and 2. Then we got the relation between Y parameter in terms of H parameter. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening. All the best for your examination.